Okay, here are the tools that you're going to need. Perfect timing on the leaf blower. It's a 10 millimeter socket, deep well, one of these star thingamajiggies, a couple ply bores and my drill ratchet. I'm going to use a bungee cord just to keep the hood down a little bit so I don't have to reach as high. But I just hooked right there. There we go. Screw two. Still pretty high. Some just fell there, and this one is spinning because I broke the clip. Well, there's issue number one. Oh boy. Always something, Fred Flintstone. Always something. There we go. There we go. Ooh, and that son of a gun was hot. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I gotta take 2 more. These are actually bolts and not nuts. It's like one here and one here. Try to do this without shipping my paint. There's one right there. Of course, the first couple were easy. Next. How was that? think I'm getting close. Hopefully that doesn't fall. It's that piece of plastic I was telling you about. Right there. Maybe it's lined up. I'm gonna start pounding it down. I think we're good. Right there. This one right here. Right there. It. That was that. Looking right into the sun. The issue is these ones right there. There's 4 and then 1 on the end. The bolt size of those isn't the same of my factory grill, so I was unable to use the old bolts. And of course I didn't have 6 of what I needed in the garage. So I'm going to throw these on. We may get hit by the neighbor's sprinkler, which would be funny, and then be done. Alright, now I'm done. Now I'm officially done. So easy do-it-yourself project. Just need the tools that I showed at the beginning of the video, some patience, and yeah, this one wasn't too bad. So hit the like and subscribe button if the video helped you out. Appreciate your support, and we'll see you again.